Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Amar Sufyan and today I'm going to present to you our new feature on the bottom left there, Recycle Bin. So what does Recycle Bin do is that all files deleted inside the system can be restored by two roles which are project owners and cloud coordinators. This feature has been requested by a lot in our clients and now we are able to provide them and the user can use this feature according to their use case or according to their needs. Let me show you an example, but before that, let me click the recycle bin. So as you can see on the top left here, these are the 5 tabs that are available. So in each of these module, when any files or folders are deleted, can be directly restored. Let me show you an example. In Cloud Docs, I'll go to my personal drives, sample files, and I accidentally deleted this file. Okay, Jadwal sent to. I accidentally deleted. Then, oh no, my files have been deleted. But from here, you can see the files is right here. Okay, from here you can directly restore them. You can click restore document, or you can go for bulk restoring. You can restore, you can select which file you want to restore. But let me show you if I just restore this one. Yes, and then the files will be located back at where it belongs, which is in the sample files folder. Okay. So you can do all for these 5 modules. You can restore whenever you've deleted your files inside. So this is one of our new features in our system, and I hope the user can implement it well. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you will able to use our system at its best. Thank you very much.